This is a free exercise for geography. It's about 4 tsunami type courses. You can play this game yourself. Look in the description of this video to find the link. It's a free exercise. Okay, I'm gonna press start. A tsunami caused by a volcano. That's this one. Here we see also an underwater eruption. This is a shockwave. This is of course the most common tsunami. It's caused by an earthquake in the ocean. Tsunami caused by a falling meteorite. A tsunami caused by an erosion or landslide. Rock topple. This is focus at an earthquake. You can play this game yourself. Look in the description of this video to find the link. Thank you for watching this video on this beautiful city. When you're interested in cities, you can for example also play a game about a country with its certain cities. Go down in the description of this video and find the link to that game. You can also watch some other beautiful cities on my channel. And please don't forget to subscribe to Cities of the World.